Is a $200 cast iron skillet actually 8 times better than a $25 budget classic? We took both into the workshop to see if the boutique price tag delivers boutique performance. On one side, the standard $25 Lodge. On the other, a $200 boutique pan featuring a hand-polished interior and a custom-engineered handle. At Wade Media Labs, we look past the aesthetics. We started with heat retention. After preheating both to 500, we measured the rate of cooling over 10 minutes. Surprisingly, the thermal mass of the budget pan was nearly identical to its luxury counterpart. The real difference is the finish. Boutique pans come factory smooth, while budget pans have a pebbled texture. We ran a slide egg test on both to see if that polished surface actually prevents sticking better than a well-seasoned budget pan. Luxury brands claim their iron is easier to maintain, but our testing showed that both pans required the same seasoning process to maintain a truly non-stick surface. The winner was obvious, but not for the reason you might think. While the boutique pan is a work of art, the budget iron delivered 95% of the performance for 12% of the cost. Unless you're paying for the handcrafted story, the $25 pan remains the undisputed king of the kitchen. Performance is built, not just bought. See the full technical audit, the thermal charts, and our seasoning guide at cookwarescout.com. Look for the budget versus boutique breakdown.